Saving money is important. It helps you reach your goals. It gives you peace of mind. You can handle unexpected expenses. Start saving today for a brighter future. Saving allows you to achieve your dreams, whether it's a down payment on a house or a dream vacation. With consistent saving, you can make it happen. Saving provides a safety net for unexpected events, like a sudden job loss or medical bills. Having money set aside can relieve financial stress during tough times. Even small amounts add up over time. Start with whatever you can afford. The key is to develop the habit of saving regularly. Your future self will thank you. Before you start saving, understand your finances. Track your income and expenses. See where your money is going. This helps you identify areas to cut back. Begin by listing all sources of income. Include your salary, wages, or any other regular payments you receive. This gives you a clear picture of your total income. Next, track your expenses. Note down everything you spend money on, from rent and groceries to entertainment and subscriptions. Be thorough in your tracking. Once you have a month's worth of data, analyze your spending patterns. Identify areas where you can reduce spending. This will free up money for savings. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Set savings goals that excite you. Think about what you want to achieve. Do you want to buy a house? Travel the world? Retire early? Having clear goals motivates you to save. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," set a specific goal like, "I want to save $5,000 for a down payment in 2 years." Break down your big goals into smaller milestones. If your goal is to save $12,000 in a year, aim to save $1,000 per month. This makes your goal seem less daunting. Remember to review and adjust your goals periodically. As your income or expenses change, you may need to adjust your savings targets accordingly. Stay flexible and adapt as needed. Section 4. Spend less, save more. Create a budget to manage your money. Allocate funds for needs and wants. Track your spending and stick to your budget. This helps you control your finances and save more. Start by differentiating between needs and wants. Needs are essential expenses like housing, food, and transportation. Wants are things you desire but can live without, like entertainment or dining out. Look for areas to cut back on unnecessary expenses. Can you cook at home more often instead of eating out? Can you find cheaper alternatives for entertainment? Small changes can lead to significant savings. Consider using cash for discretionary spending. This can help you be more mindful of your spending habits. When the cash is gone, you've reached your limit for that category. Section 5. Automate and grow. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers. Move money from your checking to savings account regularly. This makes saving effortless. You won't even miss the money. Open a high-yield savings account. This type of account earns more interest than a traditional savings account. Your money will grow faster over time. Shop around for the best interest rates. Consider other savings options as well. Explore options like certificates of deposit, or CDs, or money market accounts. These accounts may offer higher interest rates, but may have restrictions on withdrawals. Remember to keep an emergency fund. This is a separate savings account with 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It acts as a financial cushion in case of unexpected events. Section 6. Stay on track, reach your goals. Monitor your progress regularly. Review your budget and savings goals. Are you on track? Do you need to make adjustments? Celebrate your successes along the way. Don't be afraid to adjust your plan as needed. Life is full of surprises, and your financial situation may change. Be flexible and make adjustments to your budget and savings goals as needed. Remember, saving is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be times when you might slip up or face unexpected expenses. Don't get discouraged. Just get back on track and keep going. You've got this. With commitment and consistency, you can achieve your financial goals. Start small, stay focused, and enjoy the journey to financial freedom.